Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about the Composer. Composer is a tool for dependency management in PHP. It allows you to declare the libraries your project depends on and it will manage them for you. That means it will gonna install or update the dependencies. Composer is not a package manager in the same sense as Yum. Yes, it deals with the packages or libraries, but it manages them on a pre-project basis. Means it install dependencies on your project folder. Composer requires PHP 5.3.2 plus versions. Composer is a multi-platform, means it can run on Windows, Mac, Linux, etc.